Hello YouTube. So this is going to be a very short video explaining how my panels are connected. They are currently a mixture of various kind of panels here, but those four guys there, 1, 2, 3 and 4, are 350 watts solar panels. These two over here are 280 and 370, and I will explain why I used them later on, while these other two here are 300 watts black solar panels. Now my intention originally was to have 350 watt solar panels, this kind you have here, throughout. The eventual plan is to have 12 of them, but what has happened is, when I planned to purchase two 350 black monocrystalline solar panels, the supplier actually tricked me. He changed the sticker on the back, but from even the dimensions you will know that they're actually 300 watt panels, but he sold them to me as 350 watt panels. That's why I have them. I'm looking for a way to replace them and make them 350 watts so that they'll be as uniform as the others. Now, as for these two, this 370 and 280, I have them just because they are leftovers from previous installations. This one was actually part of the panels I got from China, and then some of them broke on the way, and so it turned out to be the odd count. If you are installing panels in sets of twos and you have an odd number of panels, there will always be one left out. So that's just my setup. But on the average, let's say I use a 300 watts calculation, I have about 2,500 watts in solar panels here. But if you want to do the actual calculation, this foil will be 350 times 4, that's 1,400, and then these two you have here will be 600, so that's 2,000, and then you have 2,370, and then you have 2,650, and that's the actual watt hour count. Not too different from the 2,500 I said earlier. So eventually I intend to add more panels over that way. I'll clear that off, and I have some space here that I can still use if I plan to add more panels. That's my solar water heater over there. It's a 40-liter solar water heater. Unfortunately, I lost my tank, so I plan to replace it very soon, and I will update you guys as things change.